So hello friends, this is Nyasis Party from the team of Mission IS. So in this video, I'll be discussing the hardware project, or you can say that a very important project also we can say that because it usually governs, it usually publishes, or it can say that it usually rules a true leader in our country. So what is the project is all about? The project is all about electronic voting machine using image processing through Raspberry Pi. Okay, so through Raspberry Pi. So everything we'll be discussing in detail, and do not get confused about what I am saying and how actually the project usually works, because whatever I am saying usually I will be executing this project through hardware as well as through software too. If any help needed, then definitely I will be helping you for all the graduated students from EC department, or we can say that from computer science department. So in particular, I'll be having a clear discussion about the what is image processing, how actually it is been useful, and in which programming language we'll be writing the code which usually governs the image processing of different citizen. So first thing we have to know what is electronic voting machine. Then after we'll be discussing about how image processing is helpful, and what are the different hardware kits which usually required, that also we'll be discussing. Okay, so in detail we will be discussing everything. So this is Niasis Party and host of Mission Eyes and with Integrity, with an electronic project which has also been selected by Dassault System, and I am been with image processing as well as control systems as well as from Arduino based programming. So if any query related to image processing to Raspberry Pi, or we can say that from LabVIEW, you can make me a comment and you can contact me through my Mission Eyes and with Integrity page in Facebook as well as in Instagram. Okay, without delaying everything, we'll be having all the detailed explanation about the project is about the project. Okay, so what are the different questions which has been asked by different students, and how actually the questions will be answered in your presentation in the academic session. So these things are prior important whenever we are going to discuss everything. So for getting very good marks, for getting a very good grade in your examination, then you must and should have to learn this, must and should have a competitive environment. Okay, so then only you can and then only you can have an assumption that you will be qualifying in that paper and you will be having a very good mark. So in this similar fashion, whatever skill you have learned through theories should be displayed through practicals, right? So in the similar fashion, we should have to display in the form of practicals. That's the reason why the AICTC usually have approved for different positions, or you can say that for learning techniques, you must and should have to do a project. That project should be a very good project and should have to help different citizen through the technological advancement. So these things, that's the reason why I usually wants to explain everything in detail. So every student should have to understand what is EVM, an electronic voting machine, how actually it works, how what are the different instruments, or you can say that from olden days to the present. Okay, from present to olden days, or olden days to present, what are the different technology which has been using, which are being used from the past 1947, or we can say that post independence. So from 1947 to till 2021, what are the different technology which has been used by different countries? Okay, so if I discuss from 1947, then definitely I'll be choosing pen and paper. Okay, whatever the thumb impression which you usually give, that is our voting, that is our ID, because our thumb impression makes the sense that we are voted. Okay, but the main problem is how many thumbs. Okay, there are n number of people who usually make their thumbnail, usually make their presence with 2 to 3 persons. Okay, so if one person has voted and the next person will be voted with the same ID, or we can say that there is no such kind of security in EVM for selecting our leaders. So this is the reason why we have invented EVM, what is electronic voting machine, which usually gives a thumb impression of only one person, and that only one person will be voting with a one vote. That's the reason why one person one vote, which is been introduced by the government. But in before our period, there is no EVM and there is no security, and the leaders who are been selected are been chosen randomly. At any certain point of time, there may be any kind of violation with regards to the Constitution Environment Act. So these things are even important whenever we usually discuss about EVM, how electronic, we can say that election commission have granted these things, and how election commission has made a great advancement in the upcoming technological innovations through EVM. So whenever we have introduced EVM, it's right that we have introduced the EVM, that we will be having our thumb impression in that certain board. Okay, that we will be choosing certain leaders with certain symbol, political symbol, and that symbol will be noted down. So but when EVM has been introduced, whether the thumbnail impression should be cleared out or not. So this becomes a region. So thumbnail impression may be, right? Thumbnail impression may be one of the main criteria for evaluating, but if one person can clear the thumbnail through different chemicals, definitely he will be eligible to vote for next. Okay, even the EVM also cannot detect which person he is. Just he will that the machine usually detect in which symbol he has been clicked, and that vote will be counted. Okay, so these things makes a sense that in which technology we have to use such that we will be eradicating such kind of malpractices. So that's the reason why the project has been introduced as an image processing project, and that project will be implemented through a hardware kit, that is Raspberry Pi. So actually the technology which has been used by a politician, and we can say that how politics usually been governed through technology, that also will be discussing. Okay, so these all things are prior important whenever we are going to discuss the frequently asked questions. So this is all about introduction about voting machine, which I have already said. Here RFID, which is been used, that also will be discussing what is RFID. So RFID, that is all about radio frequency ID, which usually been governed from different person to person, which has been authenticated from different person to person. That also will keep in mind, and we will be moving forward, okay, through our project. So this you might be having, if any query related to this, I'll be explaining in detail with you about the project, as well as how what are the different hardware kits which are even important. Okay, so about Raspberry Pi, what is all about Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is an credit card sized single computer SoC. We can say the system on chip also we can say. It is an ARM 1176J7S core. Okay, this is the number. Do not get confused or do not get diverted that what is this number, how usually it is helpful. So do not get confused. It is an ARM processor. We can say that a micro a controller which usually been there. His presence in Raspberry Pi. It's a hardware kit. Okay, a system on chip is a method of replacing necessary electronic or running computer on a single chip. Okay, it usually acts like a computer. Okay, a single system on chip usually been connected to monitor, and that monitor will be governing through different. So we are having CPUs, right? So these CPUs usually gives information to monitor, but CPU size is very huge. So replacing CPU will be having this hardware kit in the form of Raspberry Pi. So Raspberry Pi, through Raspberry operating system will be having all the necessary programming skills, all the necessary applications with the size of memory. Okay, memory card also matters. So that is all about Raspberry Pi operating system, or we can say that about Raspberry Pi. Okay, so then after here the last page of the project, and here in introduction part I have been displaying how project is usually been helpful. So what are the different hardware kits, software tools, and application of the project? So whenever I discuss about hardware tools, then these are all about Raspberry Pi, LCD, उसके बाद usually that is all about fingerprint module, camera, Raspberry Pi operating system which usually been authenticated, MATLAB, or we can also use Python. I will be discussing in Python, just replace this MATLAB with Python. Visual display is very important. Then after language which has been used, that is all about Linux and embedded C. Okay, though these things are prior important. Application of the project all about automated train bus ticket system, authorized vehicle detection system, and traffic signal braking detection system, and all about parking IoT automation. So usually how this EVM is usually work for, not only for once a year it usually comes, not only once, 5 years once. So rest of the project it will not be wasted, right? So in this application we will be using, okay, this project like our ticket collection, who are the person who usually been authenticated, our traffic signal braking, so that also been important. So this application also been introduced. Okay, so here you can see the pictorial description, what are the different instrument which has been used. Okay, or we can say that different gadgets which will be used from RX, RF and RX, ball switch, LCD, camera with MATLAB, with platform, we can say that MATLAB platform, we can also be using Python, or we can say that Java, whichever language you are suitable, we'll be using that. But instead of MATLAB, instead of Python, we can say that we always will be using LabVIEW, right? So okay, so this project is all about LabVIEW with Raspberry Pi. Okay, so because it will be easy for us for graphical illusion, because it also do not need basic visual basic, right? So usually MATLAB is that for, usually LabVIEW is that platform where we will be there is no necessary for having visual display as well as MATLAB. Okay, just LabVIEW will be having all the necessary software which usually implements this project. Okay, so that is not there is no such kind of diversion in your application systems. So these things are important whenever we are going to discuss about Raspberry Pi. What are the different operating system usually been authenticated? So then after, it is all about SD card, and then the monitor will be displaying, which I have already explained the previous slides. So thank you for watching my video. If any doubt regarding this project, just make me know about the doubts, and I'll be clearing as soon as possible. Thank you.